Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi and a very good evening. My name is Noman Hazib Bizufka Zikri and I'm from M3CS2536C. And today I'm gonna present about my FYP project, which is Civic Heroes, Enhancing Civic Awareness Through Game-Based Learning. The abstract of this project is, this project targets to enhance civic awareness among young adults in Malaysia through game-based learning. Utilizing video games as a medium, the aim is to empower the younger generation with a deep understanding of their civic responsibilities and rights. Engagement and satisfaction are measured using a game enjoyment scale, ensuring both enjoyment and educational effectiveness. The game emphasizes interactivity, critical thinking, and decision making, reflecting real-world civic scenarios. Through this immersive experience, players develop understanding of civic issues and democratic processes. This research contributes to serious games for education, showcasing the potential of game-based learning to cultivate informed citizens. Findings offer insights into the intersection of game enjoyment and civic education, providing a novel strategy for promoting civic awareness among Malaysian youth. The project aspires to inspire a new wave of civic-minded individuals who actively contribute to societal progress. So basically, this project is about to enhance civic awareness among young adults in our country, Malaysia, through game-based learning. Okay, what are the objectives of my project? First of all, to design a storyboard about three-dimensional game-based learning to enhance civic awareness. Secondly, to develop a game-based learning application enhancing civic awareness. And last and for sure, and to evaluate the enjoyment on learning civic awareness through game-based learning. So the sole purpose of this project, it can be said that I want to create enjoyment in learning civic awareness through game-based learning. Okay, the problem statement that I have discovered, some of it is the lack of awareness in civic education among young adults in Malaysia. As we are aware, our country, the level of civic education in our country is very low, especially when the syllabus are very old and the kids in high school or middle school always learn from textbook or the old ways of learning civic education. Secondly, is about the lack of existing that focus on civic awareness. Based on my observation and my research, there are a lot of civic awareness game, but it's only implements in the state of the United States of America. So in Malaysia, it doesn't have a lot of games in terms of civic education. So I think the problem here is the approach of learning and learning of civic education is very boring. Okay, the methodology of this project is I will use the use of methodology is agile methodology. Agile methodology was selected for this project due to its ease of use and ability to satisfy the project's requirements. It's common for game developers to have to adjust to fresh ideas, customer preference, and industry trends. Because of its flexibility to changing requirements, it will enable me to swiftly update the game's features and design in response to feedback and insights. The development process will be divided into smaller iterations. Moreover, Agile reduces the likelihood of major setbacks by facilitating early risk identification and mitigation through iterative development and routine inspection. So, Agile methodology allows me to develop my game-based learning swiftly without any problems. Or if there are any bugs in my games, I can identify it as early as possible. Okay, the project scope, the target audience for my game is 18 years and above and the young adults in Malaysia. The content of the game is the basic education of civic, such as political view of Malaysia, voting rights, uh, and even volunteering in the community. The dimension of this game is 3D, so to make it more interesting, and the platform is desktop. Okay, the result that I have found during the testing of this project, the overall average for each dimension, which is derived from the average of every item inside the dimension, is shown in table 5.1. After combining these dimension-wise averages, an overall average value was obtained, and this value was crucial in determining how civic heroes were assessed using the e-game floor model. Next, by calculating the percentage of the overall average, the agreeability of the enjoyment of civic heroes is ascertained. The computer overall average of 4.2 indicates a degree of agreeableness. This suggests that 85% or majority of respondents agree that playing this game is enjoyable in terms of game-based learning in order to learn about civic education. Okay, as the conclusion of my project is my game Civic Heroes is a helpful game to help spread awareness of the importance of civic consciousness. The aim of the game was to educate players on these crucial topics while having fun. It takes careful planning, cooperation between educators and game developers, and continued assessment to guarantee that games meet learning objectives and stay current with new scientific findings and improvements in civic awareness. So it's safe to say that in order to implement any learning module or learning process, I think it's very important to put the fun aspect in it. So that's why I chose game-based learning in order to enhance civic awareness among young adults in Malaysia. Thank you very much. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.